Alright mga guys. It is It is 15th day of becoming a millionaire in my 30s, 20s, or years from now. So, namin talaga together with my wife. Mawaway sa ta, kaon tagamay, snack. We'll be having our packaging na. We will be preparing the package, put stickers, put thank you stickers in it, and then we will have our record book, or we will be consolidated the inventory things, so that we can have the data kung unsay pinakakusog nga sizes, unsay pinakakusog nga gender types of foodies, and unsay color nga, unsay lami nga color, unsay pinaka best-selling nga colors, and so forth and so on. Ana unsa nga brands, sikat, unsa nga styles, unsa nga designs. And then lately ganiha man na may picture taking sa mga branded nga mga hoodies, Adidas, Champions, Nike. So ako ga picture, ako ga, so ready to post to siya, ready to sell na po ni after ma-process na mga packaging, ready to sell, ready to post. Yun siya, man na siya already wash. And then lately ganiha ang uyab mo ay nagplan siya sa mga hoodies to look it nice in the video pictorials para sa pag-post sa Facebook karon. So that's it. Today we have finished the pictorial and the ironing. I'll do the packaging right now together with the stickers, and where's my stickers? And then mag-post ako sa online ron taon-taon, and then record book stuffed. Thank you, peace, and let's go.